Imagine building a giant tower in the middle of the ocean. No land, just deep, dark water.
This terrifying structure must withstand the full force of the storm. A giant wave explodes against the concrete. It remains completely unmoved. The tower stands solid as the water recedes.
With the CAD design finalized, the scale model undergoes wave simulation.
The new geometry holds. We've minimized the stress concentration.
Building the world's most terrifying lighthouse begins here.
Deep in the moon pool. Watch the alignment. Easy now.
All right, Ben, watch the swing radius. Keep it steady.
Copy that. The load is secure. Proceeding with the drop.
This casting stage is critical. The pneumatic vibrators ensure the concrete settles completely, expelling any trapped air.
Control to bridge. Dynamic positioning reports green status. We are locked on target.
Roger that. Proceed with Phase 2 deployment.
Hold it right there. Easy now. Bring it down slow. Watch the alignment on the far side.
The first step was securing the foundation. A massive tungsten drill bit bores the anchor holes directly into the ocean floor.
The wave test results are solid. Look at the stability metrics here.
They align perfectly with the projections. We are clear for approval, sir.
Requires brute force.
Sealant injected between foundation and rock.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side clearance.
Fabricating the tower blocks on land minimizes the risk at sea. But the scale of these segments presents its own challenges.
Hold it steady. We are easing it down now. 5 more centimeters. Easy, easy.
Okay, we have contact. It's secure.
Here we see the rebar cages being locked into the anchor sleeves.
Getting these segments to align required brute force.
Against the backdrop of a violent storm. The second tower block is carefully maneuvered into position. Hold it steady. Watch the east side. Okay, lower it slowly. Slowly now.
Bring it up slowly. Watch the starboard side.
Intermediate floor casting requires precision.
Watch the swell on the starboard side. Keep lowering steady.
Building in the open ocean presents unique challenges. Here, the floor slab undergoes its crucial curing phase.
Hardening against the elements. The engineers apply a thick resin coating.
Keep the layer even. Don't let it drip.
The laser alignment ensures millimeter precision as the massive segment settles into the wet mortar layer. In the middle of the unforgiving ocean, installing these massive wave deflectors is a terrifying but essential feat.
Level looks good. Locking it down.
The structural integrity of the fourth segment is critical. Hold it steady. Bring it down another 5 meters.
Watch the alignment on the north side.
The readings here indicate stabilizing strain levels.
Good. We have to make sure the upper sections hold against this swell.
Everyone, safety lines clipped. Tie down those pipes.
The fast curing sealant was essential for the emergency joint sealing.
Inside the world's most terrifying lighthouse.
Wait.
Safe limits maintained.
Cure rate is optimal. All right, let's move on to the exterior cladding.
Casting the upper floor requires precision.
Down another foot, easy now.
Clear on the bottom.
All right, set it down.
The cladding continues as workers meticulously tighten the concealed anchors.
Pull hard on the left line. We have to counteract the sway.
Copy that. Ready for descent.
Before the pieces are bolted, the mating surfaces must be coated to prevent rust welding.
Torque check on joint 4.
Green.
Reading green.
Push it toward the edge, quick. Almost there, keep it level. Tension releasing now.
Turn firm, looks good.
Using ultra-high-strength concrete, the team had to.
The central shaft required the installation of these massive spiral segments.
Finally revealed, the massive Fresnel Lens is the heart of this formidable structure.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment.
Meticulously applying the silicone seals.
Almost there. Just a bit more torque. Looks good. Solid now.
The lantern glazing process requires millimeter precision.
Calibration complete on the secondary array.
All right, that's tight. Looks good. Let's move to the next bank.
Power leads connected. We are initiating the sequence now.
Confirmed. Calibration sequence active.
To power the world's most terrifying lighthouse, engineers had to build new ways to harness the ocean's energy.
Calibrating.
The readings are perfectly stable at full rotation.
Confirmed. The analysis is complete.
Built in the middle of the ocean, this terrifying structure
must withstand the full force of the storm.
That's the last section. Looks solid.
Radios are secure and labeled. Checklist updated.
Good. Proceed to the main control panel.
In the world's most terrifying lighthouse.
System's running at 80%. We have a warning light on Sector 4.
Push the override. It's stabilizing. The strain gauges spiked dramatically under the load.
All right, the load test is complete.
Structural drift is 0. We are stable.
Confirmed. Proceed to load testing.
The displacement is exactly within tolerance at peak load.
Flange 9 seems secure. See what the tablet says.
Verified. We are good to go. With final engineering approval, the master switch is engaged.
Systems verified. Construction phase officially closed.
Main switch engaged. Power flow nominal. Beacon status active.
The crew is evacuated as the system switches to autonomous mode.
All personnel, emergency evacuation. Proceed to the docks.
Range 150-0. Target acquired.
Inside the world's most terrifying lighthouse.
Look at the resonance frequency graph right here. Perfectly stable.
Incredible. Confirmed.
Yeah.
Inside the world's most terrifying lighthouse.
Inside the world's most terrifying lighthouse. How engineers built it in the middle of the ocean.
I'm adjusting the gain now.
Look at the depth changes here. That fracture runs deep. We need to sample that.
Look at the lattice structure here. It's perfectly stable under thermal fluctuation.
Confirmed. The energy signature holds.
With the CAD design finalized, the scale model undergoes wave simulation.
Engineers built it in the middle of the ocean.